Welcome to Timeless Stoic Life, where ancient wisdom meets the modern world, where clarity isn't just an idea, but a practice. Before we begin, take a breath, feel it rise and fall. Let that be your first act of attention today. Now ask yourself this: what's the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning? Do you open your eyes to the sunlight, or do you reach for your phone and get pulled into an endless loop of notifications, scrolling, and comparison? In a world where everything is urgent and everyone wants your attention, digital stoicism is no longer optional. It's a survival tool for the modern mind. We live in an age of mental noise, constant, addictive, and overwhelming. The average human brain now processes over 74 gigabytes of information every single day. That's more than a person in ancient times consumed in a full week. We don't have time to think anymore, only time to react. You check the time. 20 minutes later, you're 10 videos deep on TikTok, and you don't even remember how you got there. Attention is no longer a gift. It's a battlefield, and every tap, every swipe is a tiny surrender. Digital stoicism doesn't mean abandoning technology. It means learning to master it before it masters you. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "People are not disturbed by things, but by their view of things." Social media, emails, news, all of it can be tools or traps. And it all comes down to one question: how do we choose to respond? You don't need to move to the mountains. You don't need to throw away your phone, but you do need to take back your mind. Here are 5 ways to start today. Turn off non-essential notifications. If it's not urgent, it shouldn't interrupt your thoughts. Use the Stoic scroll timer. Set clear boundaries for screen time. For example, scroll only from 6 to 6:30 p.m. When the time's up, put it down. Reflect after being online. After 15 minutes online, write this in a journal. How do I feel right now? You might be surprised by the answer. Start your day with philosophy, not your phone. Before any screen, read one Stoic quote, or write 3 lines of reflection. Let wisdom be your first input of the day. Take a 1-hour digital Sabbath daily. No screens, no noise, just nature, books, silence, or simply your own thoughts. You can't slow down the world, but you can slow down your mind. Digital stoicism isn't about shutting everything off. It's about turning yourself back on. In stillness, you're no longer distracted. You're aware, present, alive. The goal isn't perfection, it's presence. If digital overload has left you drained, try just 1 day of digital stoicism. You don't need to delete everything. Just pause, observe, reclaim your attention. And if this message helped you slow down, even for a moment, share it with someone who's feeling overwhelmed. Leave a comment and tell me, how are you reclaiming your focus? Subscribe to Timeless Stoic Life for weekly reflections, more presence, and more peace. Because calm is a skill, and you can practice it.